Here's an update on the old 69 Chevy pickup. Big ol' update on it. Got inside done. I still gotta put my door panels on, but I ain't putting the door panels on until I paint it, cause I'll just take them right back off to put the door handles and the lock on. But got that cleaned up, and I got that one over there cleaned up with 90 with a cotton ball and some diamond compound. There's the new dome light in here. There's all the stuff. Where is that? Oh, there it is. There's that LMC box over there. All that shit come in. There's still some door seals and some other stuff left in there. Got all my gauges in. And don't worry, that gauge is right, because it's just about out of gas, and I gotta try to burn all this old stale gas out of it. But yeah, I'm gonna fire it up. I got the heater working, got my new thing put in. There we go. There she is right there. There's that, and there's heat. But yeah, got that turned off. Let's fire it up. Okay. This motor warm up a minute. It's kind of cold. It's pretty cold out here. Come on, yeah. Now it's only got. There's that. Right, damn, that works now. Bunch of other stuff works in it now. It looks pretty damn sweet in there now. I got my old seat in there. I gotta have the other one reupholstered. Still gotta get a foot pedal for it. I haven't done that yet. I gotta take some lacquer. I got a little ice drink sprayed a little. I didn't have it. I forgot to take that off. Just got a little overspray on it, but. Let me turn the idle screw up on this thing. I ain't gotta worry about it. That old gas in it. And the carburetor needs to be rebuilt too. That doesn't help anything. But let's give it one more try. Look at me so up. I think it's just about out of gas. But there you can hear it run. Just run it dry. Little shit gas in it. Like I said. Ugh. Yeah, it needs some more gas in it. Definitely. See if it'll crack back. Yep, that's it. She ain't got nothing. She's out of gas. Now I can go buy some more. Put some in it. Hook up. Pause Dodge out there I've been driving. But Yeah. Finally got all old shit gas out of it. That'll run a lot better. There's the door panels I got for it. Down here. The original ones for 1969. Right there. And where are they at? Where did I see them? Or what did Daddy do with them? Oh, here they are. Guess it fell off. Still, here's my door seals. Put them back in the box. But yeah, there's the old '69 Chevy. I'm gonna get, like I said, I'm gonna get me some tips and put on it. As you heard, that was a hell of a lot deeper sound. I like it old sound to it. It sounded a lot better yesterday because it was backfiring where it was just getting that the very bottom of that gas out. So, yeah. But yeah. Well, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.